Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to unlink phone number from TikTok. So if you want to unlink your phone number on your TikTok account, what you have to do is first of all open up your TikTok application and then tap on profile, which is on the bottom right. And after tapping on your profile, now tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right, and then tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on account and then account info, and then tap on account information. And now you can find phone number option over the top. Just tap on that, and now you have to tap on unlink. And after tapping on unlink, it will take you to a page, and then you have to tap on unlink again. And after doing that, your phone number has been unlinked. So this is what you have to do if you want to unlink phone number from TikTok. If you think this video was helpful, like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.